Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can use Linktree for affiliate marketing. So first you need to search for the Linktree and you need to open the first website, that is Linktree official website, and log in into your account. So I'm not going to show you how you can create account. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use that for affiliate marketing. So here you can see that I created a page. So here you can see that I added different options. So let's suppose I want to create a new link. Click on add link, and here you can see different options, document, video. So which one you need to add? So you simply need to click on this header and click on this mark, and here you can add anything that whatever you want. And now you can see that this is the link that I added. So you simply need to click here, and this is the link. So if someone click on that, he will land it onto my Coursera affiliate link. So here you can see that. So now you can see that options. You can add detail here. Like this, I added cards in which I add the detail. If you want, you can add more like tip jar, contact details, contact form, or a video. If you want to add like this, so it will be added onto the top. Here you need to add the title, the URL, and then you need to click on save, and here you can see that. So this is a process how you can use Linktree for affiliate marketing. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.